What if I told you you can create Hollywood level cinematic videos with just few images and a simple prompt? Let me give you a demo first. You can see I have added these consistent images here. These are the 4 images I have added, and these are a prompt I have given here. And based on this prompt, this is the result it has given me. I have tested a few times and I'm just done with the quality, the consistent way here. I have also tested out with the other images and the prompt, and the looks and the results are always outstanding here. Most people think AI video generation is still too inconsistent for professional use, but I just discovered something that completely changes the game. Vidu's reference to video feature that they have just introduced in their Q1 model. This can take your reference images and maintain perfect character consistency across the entire video sequences. No more character that morph into the different people halfway through your video. I'm going to show you the exact process that's making other AI video tools look outdated. In the next few minutes, you are going to see me create a professional cinematic videos using the nothing but the reference images and simple text prompts. I will give you a walkthrough Vidu's Q1 reference to video feature step by step, showing you how it's maintain perfect character consistency where other AI tools fails miserably. You can see the exact interface, the prompts I use, why this approach is revolutionizing video creation for content creators and businesses. By the end, you will know exactly how to create videos that looks like they came out of a major studio here. Okay, so first let me introduce what is the Q1 by the Vidu.com. Hey folks, this is Basant here and welcome back in my channel. Today I'm going to show you video. Okay, and I'm going to talk about this Q1 reference to video feature that will lets you create the AI video. With that you can achieve the remarkable character consistency in your videos, ensuring your characters stay true to your design throughout the entire sequence. This is a game changer for creators looking for the professional level outputs. So what are the problem with the current AI tools? That you can see, whether we want to create the video out of our images or using with the simple prompt or storyline, what we got the inconsistent characters. The images morph into the something else and that don't feel like the video genuinely. Okay, but that is the problem that making me the feels that these things need to be corrected, and that's where I have found out the Vidu.com. Okay, so with this platform I am going to show you the step-by-step process, and let me tell you how it's work. In just few simple ways, you have to just go to its reference to video here. Let me show you how I can do that. First let me go to the home. Okay, and here you have to just sign up on the platforms. You will get some credit. Like me, I have got these credits here, and here you will also find out the already created video from the Vidu.com, and you can explore them to get the idea. So we have this section available, that is the Q1, and here we can find the reference to video. So I'm going to go this section here. Okay, and let me also install. Okay, I can also install its desktop app or its mobile app. Okay, so I can use everywhere. It's the device friendly. Okay, so first let me remove this thing so I can just show you from the scratch how I have created. So here you can see I have just selected reference to video, but you can also go with the image to video and text to the video. For this video's sake, I'm going to go with the reference to video here, and here I have to just upload the images. Using that I want to create the video. So I have created the few images. Okay, so I have used AI tool from the chat GPT to generating these images here. Okay, so I am just connecting these images with the uploading. Okay, you can see the 5 images I have selected and I have added here. Okay, now what you can do, you can also add your prompt here, or you can also select the things. So once your images will be uploaded, I will show you how this tool can automatically generate or optimize this prompt for you. Okay, so my images are generated, and now what I can do, I can simply click here the optimize. Now its AI is going to be automatically generate the prompt for me, and in that prompt I can just do the changes. Okay, and make it according to mine, and then I will get the results here. Okay, so it can take few seconds. Yeah, you can see this is the prompt here, and here you can see this is the compositions or the components it has just configured automatically. But if I click here on the plus icon, I can just choose the more things like the style, motion level, shot size, the focal length, the composition, the camera angle, camera movement. Okay, and let's go with the camera movement, zoom in here. Okay, then we have also the special filming technique. Somehow if your desired thing is not available, you can click on plus icon and add the stuff. For example, I can also click here on the first person view. Okay, then everything is done. I am going to here, and now I can select the resolution. Okay, like the length here. Right now it's only giving me the 5 seconds, so I can create the video creating by 5 seconds clip per each. Okay, and I can also select the format here or the amount of the variations of the results I want. So I will go with the 4 variations here, and let me click here on the create. Now it will take around the 30 seconds to 1 minute to generate the video results here, so you have to wait till then. But let me tell you, it's compared to the previous version, they are improving the video creation time here. So in the future we can expect more faster rendering or the results creation here. Okay, so till this is creating, let me talk about the more stuff here. Okay, so if I go to its official website here, this is the official website. You can see, you will find the more stuff, like you can just see the videos that this will able to generate for you. They have also the desktop app and the mobile app as well. You can see this is the reference to video feature they have talked about here. So every kind of the video you can create this feature here, and you can see multi-reference consistency. So you can also connect the multiple images, like this is the character image, this is the your object image, and this is the background, and based on that it can just create the videos for you. Okay, so this is the some examples you can find on their website here. So definitely you should check it out, their website, to get to know more about it. And if I go to the pricing here, they have the really good pricing. First of all, there's also the free plan available that can give you 10 reference images per month, or the video creation per month. That is the most easiest way to try it out without any giving your money here. Okay, but if you want to access its premium stuff, you have to go with the premium plan that is starting from the just $8 a month, and this is the most affordable AI generator I have found on the internet. $8 a month, and I can get the 800 credits monthly, and all these features are going to unlock for me. So make sure, if you want to check it out, the vidu.com, the link will be given in the description, and I'm also going to pin it in the comments here. So let's see our video are generated or not here. So you can see it's still in the half the way, so we have to wait a little bit more, but once it is going to generate, I'm going to show you the results. And here are my results. Are you excited to watch them? You can look it here. So this is the first video it has created for me, and it looks really outstanding here. Look at the realistic images turned into the videos. Okay, this is the variation 1. Okay, I have also the other variations. Let me open this one. You can see, you have just remember that I have added this zoom effect. It is just applied that effect here. Okay, let's see the other one. Let me see this one here. See, so combining this clip, I can just create a longer video around kind of the 10 or the 15 seconds. So let me show you the how you can get these images. So I am using the Merlin.ai. It uses the ChatGPT or the Gemini 2.5. Okay, so basically I have selected Gemini 2.5 Pro here, means you can go to the Google AI Studio and try out this stuff as well. So for the every image that I can use to turn into the video, I have created a prompt here. You can see the prompt: generate an ultra realistic image of the white rabbit in the snow. The same way I have created for the wolf. Then this is the combining image. Okay, so this is the consistent images you can create using any AI tool. I suggest you can also use the Gemini, that's absolutely free to use. And after that, you have to simply go to the Vidu.ai reference to video feature. Okay, and here make sure that you have selected the Q1. Okay, so this is the Q1 model, but we have also the other models as well, but I suggest go with their latest one, that is the Q1. And here after that you will able to find the reference to video feature and just upload the images that we got from the AI chatbot. Okay, like the ChatGPT or the Gemini, anywhere. And after that you can also add the prompt or use its optimize button to automatically optimize the prompt according to the images you have provided. Then after that you can just configure the few things and just click here on the create. It will just generate the video for you. So these are the other videos I have created. Let me play for them. After running the model, I have showed you the final product, and here you can just take the moment to appreciate the seamless character consistency achieved throughout the video. Unlike traditional AI videos, video ensures that your character maintain their unique features and identify, making the final output look polished and professional. So in conclusion, Vidu's QI model, that is the revolutionary tool that can take your video project to the next level by utilizing just 3 reference video or the images with the easy prompts from with your text, or you can just use its AI to optimize the prompt. The potential for creativity storytelling is limitless. I encourage you to try Vidu for yourself and experience the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insight into the AI video creation. Happy creating, and I will see you in the next one.